Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to create Google account. So, let's dive right in. Open the Chrome web browser on your computer and head to www.google.com. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Sign In or Create an Account. Click on Create Account to begin the process. Google will ask you for some basic information. Enter your first and last name. Then, click on the Next button. On the next page, enter your date of birth. Then, click on the Gender drop-down and choose your gender. Click on the Next button. Now, here, you will need to enter your username for email address. Enter a unique username and make sure it's available. Then, click on the Next button. On the next page, enter a strong password for your Google account. Here are some quick tips for password creation. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Consider using a password manager to generate and store strong passwords for all your online accounts. You'll also be prompted to provide your birthday and phone number. This is optional but recommended for security purposes. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Google account. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen and may be prompted to set up some additional preferences. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.